Hello. I hope you are all fine and your family's fine and then that you are getting ready to come to school. Yes, we miss you so much. Miss Ada miss you all so very much. So we really hope that in November we'll be able to see each other. To be very exciting. We are going to see each other in a Zoom meeting in our second part of our lesson. So, in this first part of the lesson, you are going to watch a video that talks about personal information. What is personal information? I want you to pay attention because after the video, there will be some questions for you to think about, or what is personal information and what happened during the video that you are going to see. And we are going to discuss this on the second part when we have our team meeting. I believe you already know how to do it. Yes. Miss Ada set the Teams meeting. You go there, you click on your calendar, and you can go and meet Miss Ada there. Okay? It will be very good to see you all. So watch the video, answer the questions, and see you in about 40 minutes. Masalama.